Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. On the side of the house here, wanted to show you the cameras I installed from Amazon. Hiseeu. Very cheap, very clear. Love them. You guys know how we got here. My in-ground lights were stolen. Let's not forget my brute lawnmower was stolen too. Can't believe it's BS. Yeah, so this is nothing more than a deterrent, really. I'm just trying to catch a real big rat. I'm going to clip the chrysanthemums. Got some dead foliage here, so I got to get rid of it. Don't like how it looks. So yeah, this has to get done. You know, if I had to rate the Hiseeu cameras from Amazon, I'd give them a strong B. Great features, easy to use, and you know what really attracted me, the price. Can't beat it. Look at my double knockout rose bushes. Pulled some weeds, added some water, trimmed them a bit. Look at them go. Or should I say, look at them grow? This might be standard with all Wi-Fi 360 pan tilt zoom cameras, but I'm recording now, okay? And what happens is the footage goes right to your photo library. I really like that. Heads up, guys. If you buy 2 in a box, they're actually more. So if you buy them individually, it's less. I know that doesn't make sense, but when you do the math, it definitely adds up. Sorry, guys, I'm getting old, so I take naps now. Then I get up real late and finish what I have to do. So I'll get my trimmers, my cutters, pruners, and I'll clean this up. It'll look a whole lot better, trust me. Now I see the value in pruning, clipping. These were cheap, so if this is all I have to do, it's worth it. See, this one was coming back already. A little water, sun, patience. They'll come back. Yep, definitely will. I'm telling you guys, if I would have put that third layer down, sealed it, put plastic over it, let it cure for 30 days or so, I'm telling you, it would have looked like a professional did this project. Well, done with the chrysanthemums. Oh, by the way, guys, great tip. Got to share this with you. When you do this job, do it in the morning or the afternoon, okay? Reason is, you're going to put the first coat on, layer, whatever you want to call it. As it dries, you're going to think you missed a spot. So you're going to come along with another coat, and you have to wait for the first one to dry, okay? So do this in the morning or afternoon. Put the first coat down, let it dry, then come with the second coat, okay? Or you're going to have a bunch of problems, and it's going to come out later on, all right? Mulch bed looks a whole lot better than it did a few months back. Oh, yeah. You know what, guys? Let me clear something up. I know I talked about my in-ground solar lights being stolen and my lawnmower. Despite that, I'm grateful. The good, the bad, I'm thankful, I'm grateful. Some people don't have a house to live in, food to eat. People go without every day, so I'm grateful for the good and bad. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.